We got a lot of tire marks here. Forklift traffic. We tried numerous products to get it off. We bought some F9 Groundskeeper from Craig. Got an amazing product there. So we're gonna give a little video showing you with a wand. It doesn't come off, then we'll pre-treat with Groundskeeper, and it comes off like butter. We've tried numerous products, and it's hot water, everything, and then we also scrubbed it. But with the Groundskeeper, we don't have to scrub anything, so we'll give it a shot. So this is just pressure, no Groundskeeper, just kind of show you how embedded these tire marks are. Let's spray this area, little block right here. Got it at about a 1:6 ratio. We'll let it sit for about 30 seconds. Sit for a little bit, and then start done. A little more in it. Let it sit for a little bit more.
Patience.
That's good there, Mike.
30 more seconds.
We initially scrubbed these areas, and well, not these areas. Another area we did a sample. Comes off really good with scrubbing, and then we found out right now that we can spray it without scrubbing. It comes off really good. Got a little puddle of water. And the puddle of water diluted it a little bit in some of these areas near the drain.
Amazing product, Craig.
Yes, it comes out pretty good without scrubbing. Some of these areas, you know, we're gonna post-treat and scrub as needed. But here, look, left area, you can see compared to the right, all these tire marks. I think it's about a 30,000 pound machine forklift that was leaving these tracks here. But we did this before the video we made, and it came out really good. And I'm sure the concrete's going to be super bright when it's dry. We got 90,000 square feet of this. Jones Pressure Cleaning and Palm Beach Hydro Clean tackling this. There's Brent.